Hey everybody, it's your girl, Boujee Poocee. Oh Lord Jesus. Why are you in my video? Who are you?
Why did it?
Okay. Bye, Wallow Dede. Alright, so before you do anything else, I want you to smash that like button. Leave a comment on what you want to see me make. I have a whole bunch of recipes. I do belong to the Keto group. And subscribe to Boujee Poocee. It is a brand new year. It's 2019, and 2018 wasn't good for me. I gained a lot of weight. Got into a car accident. I broke my ankle. Had to wear cast for a long time. That was May 31st, and it is January 2nd, and my ankle is still broken. So gained a lot of weight, ate a lot of bad food, and a bunch of junk. So I'm trying to start this year off right. So I'm going to start this keto diet. I'm doing keto and Weight Watchers. Let's see how this is going to work. So I am preparing to make some egg and spinach muffins breakfast tomorrow so I can take to work. I'm preparing them now because I don't have time in the morning. I'm like rushing out to go to work in the morning time. I don't even have time. I just go right past the kitchen. I sleep to the last minute. So I'm going to prepare them now. Again, I'm making some egg and spinach muffins. I'm also going to try being a pescatarian for 30 days. I pretty much don't eat red meat or pork already. So the only thing I was eating was chicken, turkey, and shrimp and lobster. So that only leaves them with shrimp and lobster right now. I'm going to see how that works out. So that's why my egg muffin is just egg and spinach, no meat. Oh, and cheese. I put cheese on it too because that's part of the keto diet. So, okay, so I'm going to start off with egg bowl over here. I had the butter heating up already. So I'm cracking my eggs. Yep. It's not going to let me have a quiet taping. So I don't know if this is going to work out. Alrighty. Gotta make about 4, 5, I think about 8 eggs, 5. And so in order for me to do this better, I need to already have my ingredients and everything in front of me. Because I keep having to go off camera to get my stuff. But I'm gonna add some salt.
This is not good.
What? Oh, it's wobbling. Salt and some pepper. Just like if I was doing some regular eggs. My pepper shaker don't work. It works, but it don't give me a lot of pepper. So yeah, I'm using big pepper flakes. I want to put a lot of salt in there, but because I've been taking a lot of water weight. So turn these let's turn my oven on. 350. Okay, so my butter is preparing for my spinach. And I'm gonna put my spinach on. This is actually my first time making spinach. So just a little bit. Save the rest for the next time I make it in a couple days. So basically I just I'm cooking in some butter. I can't believe it's not butter. I sprayed my pan with some Pam olive oil. And I know I know spinach cooks up to be, I think I need to put some spinach in. I want spinach down. I need all my veggies. That's good. Okay. So let me get my tongue over here. My eggs is beat. And I also bought some cherry tomatoes. I'm going to carry those with me tomorrow to work. And a little bag of them. A little bag of those. Because I like tomatoes. I guess it's like an omelet, a spinach omelet. That's basically what it's gonna be. So I like tomatoes on mine. Wish I can put some onions in it, but it won't be good the next day. It's thick. Oh, this spinach cooked up real quick now. That's how I do? Okay. Jason, you want to taste this?
Test.
You want to taste my spinach to see if it's right?
Let's see. Yeah.
It's done?
Yeah.
All right. That was easy. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Let me beat my eggs some more. I'm going to put some cheese in the inside of it. Put some shredded cheese in the inside of it. Cook it with a little cheese. A little cheese. About a cup of cheese. 1 cup of cheese. Put that spinach in there. That works. All right. Now you have your muffin pan, and make sure you get a pouring bowl so you can pour it in there. Put that knife right there, and pour it there. You want to add some more cheese when you're done to the top of it, so they can melt, so the cheese can melt on top of it. For keto, it tells you have to eat. For me and my dieting, I don't think you should eat if you're dieting. That's not good for you. Because if you don't eat, just as soon as you eat too much and you don't stop eating. Perfect example. So I'm trying to eat healthier and still eat, but eat healthier and lose weight at the same time with the keto diet. I've heard some successful stories. I am a part of a keto group on Facebook, and they have a bunch of recipes, and that food looks so good. Their substitutions look so good. But I'm kind of limited because I don't eat red meat or pork. They have a lot of steak and beef on there, and I don't eat that. And I'm doing pescatarian, so I'm not doing any chicken. So everything with me will be shrimp. So put these in for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna put the timer on, but I'm gonna keep checking and to see, keep checking to see if they're ready. But so, they put it in the oven, and I'll be back. All right, welcome back, guys. So my egg and spinach muffins are out of the oven, and they look scrumptious. Actually, they were big and fluffy, but they deflated because I stuck a toothpick in it to make sure they were done. So, but look at here. Now I'm about to add some cheese to it. Okay, so now I'm adding my cheese to them so my cheese can melt on there. Melt on there. Give us a little bit more. Cheese is good for keto. I love cheese. Cheese. Yay, the cheese. Make some cheese chips on there too. I made them before. Put too much cheese in them. That was my first time. But I didn't know what I was doing. But so this time I bought the already square made ones. All I gotta do is cut them and slice them. Or with a pizza cutter or something. But yeah. So now we have added cheese. I'm gonna set them in the oven for about a minute while the oven's off. So put it in there for about a minute. See what happens. Oh, again, smash that like button for me. Leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see me make for 2019. so we can get it in, we can lose some weight. And subscribe to the page. Turn your bell notifications on for Boujee Poocee. Okay? And let me take these out. I don't want my cheese to melt. Melt. Ooh. Yummy. If you can see this. So I'm gonna have a healthy breakfast for today is Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and Saturday. I'm gonna give my mother-in-law some. I think she may want some, but I'm gonna have a healthy breakfast. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then I'm gonna do it all over again for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I'm meal prepping. So stay tuned. I'm doing a taste test. I'm going to put my tomato on top of my spinach and egg muffin. So good. Gotta pat myself on the back for this one. So keto starting off good. But it's gonna be a good breakfast in the morning. Well, I'm eating breakfast right now. But I had to taste it. Make sure I did good, right? The best. Cherry tomatoes, egg and spinach muffin. Very good. Don't forget, subscribe to my page. See you later. Bye.